In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change group color on Monday.com. If you want to make your board easier to scan and organize visually, changing a group color is a quick and simple way to do it. Group colors can help separate different phases of work, categories of tasks, or team responsibilities, so everything feels cleaner and more intuitive at a glance. To begin, open your Monday.com board and locate the group you want to update. Once you find the group name, look right beside it for the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional options for managing that group. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the dropdown. After the menu appears, look through the list of options until you see Change Group Color. Click on that option to open the color picker. This is where you'll be able to choose a new color for that specific group. Now, take a moment to select the color that fits your board best. You can choose whichever color makes the group easier to identify or matches the way you organize your workflow. Once you see the color you want, simply click on it. The selection is very straightforward, and the update happens right away. As soon as you click your chosen color, Monday.com will apply it to the group. You'll notice that the group's font color changes, making that section stand out more clearly on the board. This visual change can be especially helpful if you manage multiple groups and want to quickly tell them apart without reading every label in detail. When choosing colors, it's a good idea to stay consistent. For example, you might use one color for planning, another for work in progress, and another for completed sections. That way, your board doesn't just look better, it also becomes easier to understand at a glance. If you work with a team, a simple color system can also help everyone navigate the board more efficiently. And that's all it takes to change a group color on Monday.com. Just open the three-dot menu beside the group name, click Change Group Color, choose the color you want, and the group will update immediately. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you customize your Monday.com board in a way that makes it more organized and visually clear.